welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We always know that Easter is a time of the season. It's coming up to Easter season. If you look in the shop, Easter egg is out, a lot of stuff is out, a lot of people putting up a lot of things. But remember, Easter is one thing which everyone must always remember. Easter, you know and me know and everyone know what it's all about. Easter. Anyway, Easter recipe, you know, a lot of people always do fried fish. Back in the Caribbean, that's where we're aiming for, a lot of fried fish. Look out for the recipe, look out for the tips and the idea what you can do for Easter. So Chef Ricardo will give you a little, you know what I mean, tips and idea at the moment. We're gonna come out with fried fish and bread. Some people do fried fish and bunny. Some people do fried fish with rice and peas. All different kind of stuff. So look out for a specific recipe for the fans them, which gonna come from Chef Ricardo. I wanna say thank you so much. Got about 30,000 subscribers. And you know me myself can't do it. It's you guys. So thank you for the support. The channel is growing, but we will get there. No rush, no fuss, no fight. We take a little time and we will get there. We need 100,000 subscribers and then we eat the jackpot. So guys, thank you so much. And hopefully guys will have a wonderful time and a wonderful Easter when it comes from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.